Have you ever wondered how the iconic Chicago deep dish experience can be enjoyed at home? Today, we're exploring the science behind Lou Malnati's frozen deep dish pizzas. Lou Malnati's frozen pizzas are made from a family recipe perfected over 5 decades. They're handmade, baked, and quickly frozen to preserve their fresh taste. These pizzas have an impressive reach, Lou Malnati ships over 2 million frozen deep dish pizzas annually across the country, making it the world's largest shipper of frozen pizzas. To cook one at home, preheat your oven to 425 degrees F. Remove the lid and pizza from the pan, wipe away any condensation, lightly oil the pan before placing the pizza back in. The popular deep dish comes with a tangy marinara sauce, an exclusive sausage blend, and Wisconsin-made mozzarella cheese layered on top of a flaky butter crust. This frozen pizza is not just convenience, it's an authentic taste of Chicago, allowing people to enjoy the same flavors and quality as a visit to Lou Malnati's restaurants. From its deep-rooted recipe to nationwide shipping, Lou Malnati's frozen pizzas offer the perfect blend of tradition and accessibility for deep dish lovers everywhere. So there you have it, from Chicago to your home, Lou Malnati's brings authentic deep dish pizza nationwide. Have you tried their frozen pizzas? Share your experience in the comments.